Hey students, it's Dr. O'Malley here for week 10 overview updates and just basic what to do this week and what we're going to cover this week in lectures and things like that. So I hope everybody's safe and healthy and continuing to make healthy decisions. So let's start with the TED Talk reflective paper that is due on Monday by noon. Okay, so Monday, March 30th. I'm recording this, it's on the 29th. So it's due March 30th at noon. Yes, I extended the deadline because some of you did not receive your videos. So I think everybody should be all set. I haven't received any emails that people don't have their videos. So make sure that you're going to the assignments tab, clicking on that, and then you will see that there is a Dropbox for the TED Talk reflective paper. That's where you will submit, okay, by noon on March 30th. Moving forward, I've also recorded my voiceover PowerPoint for, excuse me, planning a presentation. I'd like you to listen to that TED Talk or watch that, sorry, not TED Talk. Watch that lecture because I do cover elements that you will need to apply to your PowerPoint for the business plan. Okay, so please listen to that. I can't remember, it's not that long, right? Make sure you review that. That will be, actually, I'll do it. I'll share my screen now so that you can see that. This is not what I need. Where is it? Here we are. Okay, so let me move this a little bit so you can see it. All right, so we're going to course documents. We will go to, if you look at course documents, I've created a new folder for the lectures. So week 10 video lectures, March 29th to April 3rd. So you'll find lectures for week 10 in this folder. Make sure to review the full lecture as it includes information related to your business plan PowerPoint. So I have planning a presentation as the first video lecture. The second video lecture will be, what is it? There's planning and then delivering your presentation. So I will post that sometime this week as well. Okay, so that's week 10. So the lectures that we're covering is planning a presentation and delivering a presentation. So those are the two lectures that you will need to review. They will be in this folder. And each week I will create a week 11 folder, a week 12 folder, 13. If there are video lectures, just come here under course documents and you will find them. Okay. All right. Also, actually, while I'm here, I'll go to assignments and I'll show you where to submit your TED Talk reflective paper, right? And so here it is under assignments. This is where you're going to submit this. All right. And then you'll also see that the business proposal SWOT analysis, this is where you'll submit this. And then the strategic guide, this is where you will submit the strategic guide assignment. And it's no longer a group assignment. You'll be doing it individually. I did explain that in my last video and in the last day of classes that we had before break. So that's it for the assignments. Let me see if I can switch my screen back. Maybe not. That's interesting. So, let me see. Maybe, oh, here it is. There it is. There I go. Okay. So those are the things that are due this week. I want you to continue to work on your business plan in your groups, which I'm sure that's what you've been doing. The assignment sheet can be located on UB Learns under course documents. In that assignment sheet, I include basically the structure of the business plan, what information to include in each section of the business plan, and how to organize the business plan. So if you're following that assignment sheet and you're answering all the questions that I put in each section, you should have your business plan covered, okay? So as we talked about in my last day of class, there are, or probably not the last day, maybe the second to last day, I can't remember, but you will have a cover sheet with your logo, your business name, and your business owners on that. You will also have, you'll have a table of contents. Then you'll have the body of your business plan. and you will have the SWOT analysis as Appendix A attached to your business plan. Okay, that is what is encompassed in the full business plan. What you will turn in is the revised memo, the business plan, and the PowerPoint presentation. I'm asking you to create to have the memo and the business plan in one document. So what you can do is you can submit, basically have your business plan with the cover sheet, table of contents, the body of the paper, the appendix, and after the appendix, you can have the memo. Okay, the revised memo. That's one document, and you'll submit that to UB Learns. And then you will submit also your PowerPoint. There's multiple submissions, so you should not have a problem. Okay, I should be able to see both of them. If you do, please post those questions or those concerns in a water cooler conversation discussion board in UB Learns. Okay, all right. So as long as you follow the guidelines, you should be fine. It is as long as you need it to be to explain all the information that that is on the assignment sheet. And then your PowerPoint is similar to the pitch. Well, PowerPoint is your pitch. So you will have to determine what part of that business plan you think is necessary for your investors to know so that you can get investing, all right, from them. So if there's more questions about that, please, again, post your question. There's my cat. He's crazy right now. Post your questions in the water cooler conversation, a discussion conversation. Okay. All right. You also should be continuing to work on your interview assignment. That has not changed. It's just a way that you go about that might be adjusted. So I do expect that you are continuing that assignment as well, because that is part of your final project. I think that's it for the week. So again, if you have any questions or concerns, please post them in the water cooler conversation discussion board on UB Learns. Okay, if you have something that's more personal, then you can email me or email the TAs. All right, so that's it for today. I hope everything's going well. I hope your other classes are going pretty smoothly as much as they can during this crazy time. I hope that you all are healthy and most of your family and friends are healthy. So I'll keep you guys in mind. I think about you, and I hope that you guys are staying safe. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know. But week 10 is here. Let's get through it. All right, guys, have a good one. Bye.